Faced with growing demand, the city of Kamloops had to expand sewage treatment facilities. 80% of its effluent is discharged into the Thompson, and meeting new environmental protection standards for the river would drive costs so high the city could not afford it.
In Kamloops, that meant that you had to achieve a phosphorus effluent criteria of 0.25 milligrams per liter. And the difference between achieving 0.25 milligrams per liter and 1 milligram per liter, which is what they're having to do now, is in the order of $35 to $40 million extra.
To solve the dilemma, the city turned to urban systems in 2001 to prove that the river would not be harmed by higher concentrations.
We assisted the city in undertaking a liquid waste management plan that involved an environmental impact study that demonstrated that a discharge of 1 milligram per liter was not going to negatively impact the river.
8 years later, they compiled enough scientific evidence to convince the Environment Ministry that a level even higher than the old norm would not have any effect on the river, the algae, or the fish.
There were moments where I thought, this may never end. But, we persisted and it paid off. They're going to put clarifiers right in this location right here. The city now has long-term direction for sewage disposal that is cost-effective, environmentally sustainable for generations. It definitely was a labor of love. I enjoy the work, I enjoy the idea of being able to make things cost-effective and environmentally sustainable for generations to come.
We're using the principles of engineering to challenge criteria and make it more environmentally relevant and economically sustainable. APEGBC is pleased to present an Environment Award to Urban Systems of Kamloops.